Hi, DBMS tutorials presented by Ashok Kumar, lecturer in computer science from GDC Chintalpuri. In this video, we will discuss advantages of the entity relationship model and disadvantages of the entity relationship model. First of all, advantages of the entity relationship model. The first one is conceptually it is very simple. That means ER model created very easily. If you know the entities in a database and attributes of the entities and the relation among the entities, then the creation of the ER model is very simple. Next one, better visual representation. ER model is a diagrammatic representation of structure of your database. ER model uses symbols, rectangle for entity, oval symbol for attribute, and diamond symbol for relationships. By seeing the structure of our database is easily represented. And next one, effective communication tool. The ER model is an effective communication tool for database designers to transform the database structure information to other persons who are involved in the database activities. And next one, highly integrated with relational model. ER model have highly integrated with relational model. Means we can easily convert the ER model into relational model. That means entities will be treated like tables. And next one, easy conversion to any data model. ER model can be converted into easily into hierarchical model or network data model. So we can say ER model can easily convert it to other data models also. These are the advantages of the ER model. Conceptually very simple, better visual representation. It is an effective communication tool. It is integrated with relational model, hierarchical model, and network model easily. And next, coming to disadvantages of the ER model. The first one is ER model have limited constraints and specifications. Where constraints is nothing but conditions on data, specifications means description about our data. The ER model have limitation to represent the conditions and the descriptions about our data. And next one is loss of information or content in the ER model representation. In the ER model, we cannot represent all the entities sometimes and all the attributes of the entities. Then there is a chance to lost some data, or otherwise due to composite attributes, some of the attributes will be hidden in the ER model. So that is considered as loss of information or content. Next one is limited relationship representation. The ER model contains so many entities. The relation among all these entities cannot be represented in the ER diagram. And the next one, no representation of data manipulation. The database have several activities, like one of the activity updation, manipulation. We cannot represent the updation or manipulation activities in the ER model. So that is considered as the disadvantages of the ER model. And thank you very much for watching this video.